How to fix Character AI app login problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for server issues. Some login problems can occur due to server outages or maintenance on Character AI's side, so you can head towards the website like Time Detector. Then you can check if there are any outages for the app. If there are any maintenance, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next, verify your login credentials. While you are logging in, make sure the email and the password associated with your Character AI account is correct. If you can't remember your password or suspect, it might be incorrect. On the login page, tap Forgot Password or a similar option. Then go ahead and reset the password for your account. Next, check for the updates for the app Character AI. Launch your App Store or Play Store, then search with the app Character AI. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. You can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your router, forget your Wi-Fi network and rejoin it. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Character AI app from your device and reinstall it. After you do that, you'll be good to go. This way you can fix Character AI app login issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.